Back up. If you don't leave, you're
you going to jail, baby.
gonna get arrested as well. Go over there.
All right, this one is entitled Brat and her boyfriend find out laws apply to them by lens of law, police body cams.
Turn off, please. Turn the bike off, please.
I like the way that thing's sitting on that bike.
I'm not speaking English.
Okay, let's put the kickstand down and step off the bike, please.
Why?
Because I'm asking
How the fuck you understand that if you don't speak no English?
you to. Because I'm asking you to. I'm asking you to step off the bike, please. Please step off the bike. Do you have an ID?
No.
Come on, she don't understand, but she don't understand English.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes.
Do you have a
No English though. She don't speak no English, right?
motorcycle endorsement?
The motorcycle no. Dile a Yuyo que venga acá. Mi licencia de driver, no motorcycle. Ay, esto va a ser un drama ahora. La madre que los parió.
Okay, hey. You guys need to leave.
No, ella es la que me va a traducir. No.
She needs to leave.
No.
Yes.
I'm not speaking English, so.
They are not involved in this.
So.
What's your
No quiere
last
que nadie
name?
se me acerque y me mandó a bajar como si yo fuera una delincuente.
What's your last name?
Yo no sé.
Ooh, she about to bring the whole family out.
Como si yo fuera una delincuente que estuviera por ahí tirando tiros.
May 15th, 2010. Male unknown. Break per second.
Yanieli, vete ya. Sí, me mandó a bajar. No. Me quitó la llave. Quitó la llave.
Why you didn't take it out and put it in your pocket first? Who cops will hate when I do that because I be doing that shit fast.
Back off. Back off. Let me see your hands.
Entering the scene was Charlie, Yashira's boyfriend, and the registered owner of the
Mr. Charlie is just a man, and he's doing.
motorcycle.
Back off.
¿Por qué?
No.
Legal, eso está legal.
Back off.
Eso está legal.
Back off. Back off.
I want to say, and they got what they got so lean, not so bad, but I ain't gonna do that.
Back
No me
off.
toque, no me toque.
Back off. Back off.
Está legal, que eso porque
Get back.
eso está legal. Es legal.
Get back.
Eso está legal.
¿Quién quitó la
Eso está
llave?
legal,
Get
loco.
back.
Eso está legal.
Get
Where he pulling out of his man purse?
back.
Last name Williams.
Get
Eso está legal.
back.
Ahí tiene el título de la motora.
Get back.
Está legal, loco. Está legal, loco.
As Omari.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Está legal, loco.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
A mí tú no me puedes arrestar,
Put your
loco.
hands.
No me toque, loco. No me toque, loco.
Stop.
Oh look, she about to attack.
No me toque.
Stop.
No me toque, loco. No me toque. No me toque, ¿por qué? Dime por qué, dime por qué.
Oh. Oh, she teaching her kids this? She teaching her kids? You fight for your man, even if it's against the police, okay, baby?
Down.
No le dé.
Back up.
No le dé.
She ain't playing by her man. She said F the police, y'all.
Back up.
Oh! Oh! Oh, you can't hold her, bro. It's too late to apologize.
Back up right now. We need more help over here. Do not hit me. Do not hit me.
¿Qué carajo es?
That's a girl that hit a cop. Her ass going to jail, y'all. Understand the mathematics of that one.
Stop. Back up. Stay back.
Damn, she was just riding a bike around the street. She was right down the street from my house. Which I hate when that shit happen, bro. Oh shit, hold on, bro. I feel like this shit a little lopsided. We'll see. How to feel to be fucking on the bus? She say, I don't know, girl, we fucking on the rough. Y'all had to edit that whole. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Back up! Rachel, take it back. Back up!
He looked like he was whispering in his ear. Y'all saw that shit? Look how they got him over there.
She's in custody for battery to law enforcement.
He's still fighting me. Yo estoy easy, papi. You ready? Yo estoy easy, a mí no me toques, cabrón.
My boy got nut the butt. That shit crazy. I need to fix that hoe. There you go.
Why you hit me?
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Illegal.
Go.
Cabrón.
El lambebicho este, hijo de la gran puta, dándole a uno el cabrón este. Lambebicho.
He is pissed when he starts saying puta. Yeah, he mad.
Abusador, cabrón. Lambebicho. Cabrón, y suéltame las esposas, me las tiene bien apretadas, canto infeliz.
If anyone else doesn't leave, if you don't leave, you're going to get arrested as well. Go over there. Go over there.
Can I get a purse for the famous back up? Everybody out. Right now, back up. Eres loco, tú un abusador.
I don't have to explain anything to you.
Un abusador loco.
Shut your mouth.
Tú eres un abusador loco.
Shut up.
Abusador de mujeres, loco. Tú eres un abusador loco. Tú eres un abusador loco. ¿Quién carajo te hizo a ti algo a ti, lambebicho? Cago en tu madre, cabrón. Tú eres un abusador, loco. Eso no se hace, loco. Es una mujer, cabrón. Es una girl. Loco, tú no seas abusador, loco.
Go over there.
Un abusador,
You
loco.
got 5 seconds.
Tú eres un abusador,
Or you're
loco.
going to get arrested too.
Go.
Go.
It's a woman. Go.
Go.
Stand up, ready?
Dame mi gorra, loco.
We'll pick it up.
A woman can't be acting like that, y'all. The woman or not, she can't be acting like that.
Tú eres un abusador, loco.
Stop.
Tú eres un abusador. Eso no se hace, loco. Es una mujer. No me
You
toques,
searching him?
loco. No me está tocando tanto, loco. Abusador, loco. No seas abusador, lambebicho. Lambebicho eres, cabrón. Lambebicho.
Upon arrest, both Yashira and Charlie were transported to the Milwaukee County Jail separately.
Bro, hey. What happened? The motorcycle? No, me no English. But bro, motorcycle legal. Yeah, we took it. What problem? What problem?
I'll explain back at the Billy's.
Motorcycle legal.
That's ours for now.
What? Me no English, bro. What? Motorcycle legal. Title.
It's not. It's not.
Title. Título. What happened? Bro. No.
Translate, we towed it to Spanish.
Bro, esposas, bro, hey.
I don't know what people don't be understanding about y'all going to jail, but they'll figure it out.
Name, problem.
Charlie was charged with resisting an officer, guilty in court of battery, and resisting or obstructing an officer, and was sentenced to serve 9 months in a house of correction and be on probation for a year. Charlie
Damn.
was charged with resisting an officer. However, it is not clear if he was found guilty or innocent. Please consider showing your support by liking this video if you want to see more of these cases with a proper legal analysis. Make sure to subscribe to stay informed about future cases like these, and if you overall enjoyed this video, check out the next video here.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. As always, that's it, baby. We out.